Hi there, this is Atmosphere Electric Bikes. I'm going to show you around the new Raleigh Velo Cite. This is the gents version, but it also comes in a step through, and that's with 700C wheels. I'm going to show you a bit of a closer look and go through some of the spec. This bike actually comes with a very intelligent torque sensor, which measures how hard you're pressing on the pedals, and the power comes in accordingly, which gives it a very natural ride. 7-speed Shimano Nexus internal gear hub. In the rear rack you've got a 36 volt 10 amp battery, suspension seat post and a nice comfy saddle. Nearer the front you've got 3 pedal assist modes on this one, twist grip for your hub gears, front suspension forks and a 250 watt brushless motor. That's the Raleigh Velo Cite.